Hi, Mike King here. Hey, I heard of a wonderful event just through literally an email last night and more emails about it today. Nicole Jones and Linda Goebel were sharing with me that they had participated virtually in this fantastic graduation ceremony of a brand new local Keymakers program being housed right there in the affiliate of North Louisiana. And credit goes to Carolyn Hammond, who made it her mission to do this, to develop this there locally after attending and being in the first senior level Keymakers class that we had ever had, and didn't just leave it there, but rather took it back home and committed herself, even though it wasn't her primary function. It wasn't her primary function to develop new training programs in the affiliate. She's already involved in direct services, but with the support of Chuck Meehan, my wonderful colleague there at the Volunteers of America, North Louisiana, took this thing and took it to fruition and had their first graduating class this week. So congratulations to all of you. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for setting an example for all of us to follow, and let's all follow that example where we take it deep into the marketplace. We take it deep into our staff family and encourage them to continue to develop their skills and continue to develop their leadership. That's what's going to make us a great organization. We've been a great organization. We're going to be even a greater organization with this kind of activity taking place. And talking about a great organization, next year we're going to be 125 years old, aren't we? We're going to be an even older, greater organization, and we're getting ready for it. You're going to see some great new materials coming up at the Communication and Development Boot Camp coming up here very soon. And one of those things I want you to watch out for is a brand new toolkit. It's literally a toolkit that our communications marketing team, led by Brian, have been developing for some time now. It's going to have materials that you can localize, materials that you can customize for your local community, while at the same time having a consistent look and feel throughout the nation. Because what that does is it enables us to continue to build the brand. Continue to build the brand of Volunteers of America nationwide, and the fact that we have staying power. We're 125 years old, and we're just getting warmed up. I mean, we are literally just getting warmed up, but doing great work. And speaking of great work, you can tell by just looking at the background here that I'm not in the usual places where you've seen me filming these videos from. I'm literally in a hotel room in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. That's because there's some very special people here. The people here are literally the leaders of our healthcare team inside Volunteers of America National Services. This is where they headquarter, is here in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, and they have been in the trenches. They have been in the trenches, especially the last 6 months. They're in those trenches every day, but especially the last 6 months in battling COVID-19. In our senior healthcare facilities, where the outbreaks are more difficult and more challenging, and we're more vulnerable to that, they have literally been in there every day winning the battle against COVID-19. They have been saving lives every day. And you know, we talk often about us being in the love business. No greater love is there than the love that we project onto our vulnerable seniors and the senior care that we give them. But especially, how can you give any more love and any more terrific care than when you've risked your own health and safety to save the lives of others? That's how special these people are. That's the special work that they've been doing. Keep them in your hearts and keep them in your prayers. And God bless you. We love you.